gather these items. Enable wired input in the MyShield settings and set its configuration. Remove the bottom, back, and top covers. Take the wire from the side without the resistor and thread it through the new top cover, and then through the bridge. Secure the wire through the bottom two connectors. Pull the wire off the cover until it is taut. Tie the wire in place with the zip tie. Attach the new top cover. Pull the cable through the rubber grommet. To configure the device for wired input, you need to perform one of the following actions. Tamper with the device. Remove and reinsert batteries. Activate PIR detection. This will initialize the device. To ensure the wired input is installed correctly, attach the two wire ends together and wait for 3 seconds until the simulation canister deploys. Follow the MyShield installation guide for third-party wiring instructions.